In front of me is OnePlus CE4 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading Magic Fluids Lite fluid sim from Mad Scientist developer. When it's ready, launch it. Then, to mute the music, hit consent and tap on this node at the bottom left corner. And to manage wallpaper settings on this gear at the top left corner. Now you can operate all of those options however you want to, and when you're ready, click at the top right corner and then bottom right corner. Finally, hit Set as Live Wallpaper, tap on Yes and click Apply. Then decide where you wish to apply it and go back. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!